bookshelf collapsed. I know, he's very naughty. But my bookshelf collapsed. The problem is it's bowed out. Like if I put the shelf back in it, it doesn't meet. It's a used bookshelf, hand-me-down. So I think I'm just going to stack everything for a while until we can fix it. Crap. What would Dave Ramsey say? I don't know. No. This is John fixing the bookshelf. Actually, he is. He's putting screws on the side, see? So that'll be good. Johnny feeding the calves. They're getting big.
Yeah, they're not really calves.
Yeah, he just kind of pushes the feed back up to them because they kind of throw it out. Look at that big one. You can't see him? I still have my flash on. That was exciting.